Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make your profile picture private on Facebook. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to be working off of my iPhone in the Facebook app, so go ahead and join me there. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, it will bring you to this page, which is your home page. From there, we're going to go to our profile. To get to your profile, you're going to click on your profile button at the top left-hand corner. This will bring you directly to your profile. In the middle, you'll see your profile picture. You're going to go ahead and click on that. Then the first option is to view your profile picture. Once you're viewing your profile picture, you'll see the three dots at the top right-hand corner. Click on that. And then you can go all the way down to the middle, and it's going to say Edit Privacy. Click on that. This is where you can change your privacy from public to friends. And then if you go ahead and choose Only Me, this will make it private, so nobody except for you can see your profile picture. Once you've decided on what option works for you, you can go ahead and hit Done. Then your profile picture will be private. If you want to unprivate it, go to those three dots again, Edit Privacy, change it to whatever you want, and hit Done, and you'll be good to go. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.